Do you want to know how you can play Toto on Melbet? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can bet on Toto or play Toto using Melbet. So the first step is to open any browser you have. Then the second step is to go to melbet.in. The third step is to log into your account. If you don't have an account, go ahead and register yourself. Now, what you need to do is hover around more, which you can see right beside this dragon icon. Go ahead and click Toto. And you can notice that you have been leaded to Toto 15. And you can see that there are a lot of other sites in here as well, like Correct Score, football, ice hockey, basketball, esports, FIFA, esports, and Toto. You can go ahead and place a bet on Toto. Go ahead and select your odds over here, and you can see the stake option on the right hand side. So let's go ahead and click on Toto, which is the free one. So let's go ahead and choose some of the numbers. And we can also click on random selection and click make a prediction. You can see that the bet has been accepted, and you can win the Toto draw if you are correct in all of these. So guys, this is how you play Toto or bet on Toto using Melbet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.